So we arrived at Tier Park, which is the name of the park. It's also called Wild Park Roseg, and they also have Schloss Labyrinth here. A labyrinth, a garden. I don't know if we're gonna have time to see both, but we're definitely gonna see the wild park, where they have wild animals from this area. And look, this is what it looks like. It's down over there. That you buy the tickets down over there, and I'm really excited to see the lynxes, and if there, I don't know if there are other big cats. I'm not sure exactly which animals they have. I just know for sure they have lynxes. You know, here they get to live a bit wild at heart, so it's not like a zoo. They have more space and they have water, and it's better for them, you know, instead of a traditional zoo. So here we are. This is a
This is where they live.
deer.
Cervo, this one.
Cervo in Italian.
We even bought in metro.
We can touch them. I don't know if we can touch them. We touched them. Yeah, he's a cutie. The goat's just running around on the street, on the path.
Is the asino, this one?
The donkey.
Donkey.
Here. Do you want some?
No, she's so full.
He eats a lot every day. Huh? Look at the baby there. Oh, there's the baby.
The babies, even the one there is more cute.
And there's two little babies. Look.
They live so well here. There's such a place.
Wolf here. The European gold something. Gold chackle. Wolf? But we don't know if we'll get to see it because, you know, they usually stay away from people, I think, anyway. Wow. There's a little burrow there. Oh, a lot of chestnut trees. We found a little cat. Hey. Man, but we're near the wolves and also near the lynxes, and this cat is just out. Is it safe? Trail going up. And look, they have the bison there. There you go. The lynx are supposed to be here. The European lynx, called the lux. They've got spots on them. But it looks like a bobtail. I don't know. And also the wolves didn't have access to fresh water. So it doesn't seem that they do either.
She's like the Freyja, look at that. She's beautiful, isn't it?
Really beautiful, Enrico.
Madonna, che bella.
Just never forget that they're wild animals.
Can you imagine how relaxed she is to sleep in a day of May under the trees with a temperature like that? With the tongue, she has the tongue out.
Yeah, her tongue's a little sticking out a little.
Look at the fur over the ear.
Yeah, the fur over the ear, yeah.
stay in the shade.
Mm-hmm.
No, they are the African. Hey, they were like fools. I didn't see if you didn't tell me.
All the deer are eating now.
Poor baby. They are like the Bambi. Because they eat all the day.
I can help you.
The nail there.
The nail? What
The
nail?
nail.
What nail?
The nail.
The male? How do you know which is the male?
And then look at the corner.
Aren't they both male? One's a younger male. I like the baby donkey. Why are babies so cute all the time?
Like the baby. Where did the mama?
What you doing? Cleaning. I've never seen kangaroos before, but here they are, but they're little ones. I don't know what breed or what kind. But there's one walking there. I don't know how I'm ever going to get to Australia, but one day I'm just fascinated by these Australian animals and the landscapes. And these kangaroos are lazing around. They're not really doing anything. This one is quite close to me right now.
The donkey.
Look how many deer are up there.
He seems to be in the bamboo place. That is the mama, I think. It is the mama that one. These are the songs and this is the papa.
We're going to the
Look at this one. It seems
Labyrinth.
to be in the 800 years movies, you know.
Yeah.
You know, with the cavallo.
Yeah. Look at the field. Yeah. This is the labyrinth that we're gonna see. Really not easy. In Vienna, it was a lot easier than this one. This one was complicated just because there are so many. Yeah.
Non è per niente facile.
There's a palace over there. It's a museum. An old house, I think. The Schloss.
Che una volta se l'ho fatto 4 o 5 volte.
E qua, tu venivi di qua, tu andavi sempre
No,
avanti.
andare di là, vieni qua.
Enrico, we can go out from here.
Sara, no! Sara!
Sara,
Torna!
torna indietro.
Torna!
This is so difficult.
So.
Holy moly. I'm eating a pretzel. We got lost in the maze. We spent like 45 minutes in the maze trying to get around. We've been walking for hours because we walked all around here. So this is the first time ever in my life having an actual veal pretzel, not like the little pretzel snacks that you get in a box like in the supermarket. It tastes like bread. It tastes very similar, but it's less crunchy. It's like, you know, like a bagel, but like saltier on the outside.